In this video, we are going to be talking about exactly where Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies might be headed in the relative short term, so stay tuned. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Myles here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make every day about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies. I have many years of investment and trading experience, and I teach you how to make money in crypto. If you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join the Patreon, which is in the top pinned comment or in my video's description, where we can build a portfolio for you. You can talk to me on the phone. You can message me anytime. We have a bunch of services to help you. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. We're getting started right now, but before we do so, make sure you all hit the like button, smash the like button. It helps to support the channel and get this video into the algorithm. But let me know in the comments. Let's talk about what are your price predictions for Dogecoin the end of the month of August. What do you think Dogecoin will be around the end of the month of August? So I'm definitely seeing something in the chart that we want to be aware of. We're going to get to that in just a few moments, but before we do so, we have a lot of very good information and data to show to you. So here's the crypto greed index, the crypto fear and greed index. It measures the social sentiment across all of the interwebs about how people are feeling for cryptocurrencies, whether they're fearful that's going to go down or whether people are buying and they're greedy. For the first time ever in a long time, the crypto fear and greed index is finally neutral. Is this thing broken or what? Because we haven't seen this type of number in a long time. And as we see, this shows us the last couple of months, we are spiking. We are spiking. We haven't seen the greed index, the crypto fear and greed index at a level 50. This possibly might be the signal for the second bull run, which might have already started. We may have already bottomed, and now we are headed into that second bull run. But the second bull run, even though we're still in a bull run, things are still good. But we are waiting for that second leg up where things are about to get crazy for Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, where things are about to get crazy. This might be the signal saying, guys, it might be a good time to get in before this thing really takes off, because you're not going to want to be buying the top when Ethereum is 4,000. I mean, I'm still going to buy the top. I'm still buying cryptos in that range because I know what they're worth to me. But it's going to be definitely better to buy cryptos while they're at a huge discount. And I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. It's just my own opinion. This might be the signal to say, hey, things are about to explode, because cryptocurrencies in 6 months, a year, 3 to 5 years are definitely not going to be at these prices. I can assure you that. Moving on, I wanted to show you guys some on-chain data about Bitcoin as it relates to Dogecoin. This is very impactful for Dogecoin. So how did Bitcoin recover to 40,000 out of the blue, right? 3 of our key leading metrics all skyrocketed. Bitcoin social and trading volumes both hit a 5-week high, and address activity hit a 3-week high. When this trio jumps in unison, good things typically happen. This is happening right now, this guy says. He's an expert on analytics for cryptocurrencies, on-chain data. And what we see in this chart here is that these 3 signals that he's talking about are breaking records right now. They are going crazy. So generally, he says pretty much every time he sees this happen, things are about to explode, which is happening right now. So even cryptocurrencies, even though Bitcoin's at 40K, even though Dogecoin is only at about 21 cents, we are still in the bottom of the market, but this thing is really about to take off. Taking a look at the altcoin season index, we are definitely out of the altcoin season index. As we noticed, so we are at the top. This is when Dogecoin was pumping, doing crazy things, and now we're at the bottom into the Bitcoin season, which means Bitcoin is outperforming the market. Bitcoin, as we see right now, is up 5%, while all the altcoins are doing the same exact thing. They're up 0.5%, 1%, whatever they're doing. So Bitcoin is receiving the greater market share, the bigger market dominance, because the institutions are getting into Bitcoin. But there are times when cryptocurrencies, when Bitcoin pumps more than altcoins, and then there's times where altcoins pump more than Bitcoin. So it's definitely good to get exposure to Bitcoin, even if you don't even have a lot of money. You don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. You could buy $200 worth. You can buy $500 worth. You can buy $1,000 worth. It doesn't matter. It all depends on how much money you have. It's good to get invested into Bitcoin, because When Bitcoin is pumping and when it's having its Bitcoin season, we'll see Bitcoin do 10%, 20% gains in a day, while cryptocurrencies and the altcoins are doing like 5% or 3%. So it's good to get that exposure so that in Bitcoin season, you can get some big gains and the altcoins are still kind of staying stable. And then when the altcoins pump, you're still in Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin and everything drops, Bitcoin only drops a little bit when the altcoins are dropping 20%, 15%. Bitcoin's only down like 3% or 4%. So it's definitely good to get exposure to Bitcoin. But what we see here is that these seasons don't last long. They go up for a little bit of time, then they go down for a little bit of time, then up. So we are at the bottom. We are nearing the bottom. So this could last, maybe a month, a couple of months, and then the altcoins will be back headed into the altcoin season. In order for the altcoin season to start, Bitcoin needs to start going crazy. Bitcoin needs to start pumping, breaking levels of resistance. And we saw that when Bitcoin started breaking levels of resistance, it started pumping the other day to 40,000 and above. Then the altcoins started going crazy. Ethereum Classic, we have Cardano, we have Matic, Ethereum going crazy. Especially Dogecoin. Dogecoin pumped like 20%. It was cool to see that. So we must be aware of Bitcoin season, altcoin season, and how the altcoins can work. But the good thing about Dogecoin and the top altcoins, they're not really affected by the whole Bitcoin season as much. The smaller altcoins in the top 100, the ones that are further down the list, they're not able to move when we are in Bitcoin season. But the good, successful projects like Dogecoin, they're able to hold their value. They're able to grow. They're able to pump. So moving on, let's take a look at the charts, which is interesting to see. We want to take a look at first Bitcoin. We need to see what Bitcoin is doing in order for Dogecoin to start moving. So Bitcoin is definitely in an uptrend. And if we zoom in, I was kind of anxious about this, looking at this pattern. It could be a potential head and shoulders playing out, which means that we could definitely head further, just a little bit further, probably to this level of support about 37.6. But the interesting thing is, look at this. We are forming higher highs and higher lows. So this is very consistent of an uptrend. We are in an uptrend, so it's good to see that. And we're able to certainly see that. Look, if you zoom out to a 4-hour chart, it's all green. It's pure uptrend, 1 hour chart. We are definitely breaking levels of resistance, which is very, very good to see. And hours ago, we were able to finally break that level of resistance that we had previously for Bitcoin. So we're just about 41,000. We hit that, and it looks like we're about to potentially bounce up to continue even further. But we could head down depending on, there's some talks with the SEC, crypto regulation. That type of news could possibly send cryptos down a little bit, but that would be a good time to buy the dip, most likely. So let's look at Dogecoin. Dogecoin is it's slowly coiling up, but it is an uptrend. We are having higher highs and higher lows. So we are 100% in an uptrend, but we have to see if this ends up continuing to play out in an uptrend in the next couple of days. Most likely it will. I'm hoping we will continue to see green throughout the rest of the month. And we're going to have big options expiration on Friday that could potentially push the prices down a little bit just on Friday, and maybe the weekend on Saturday, we could start to see a pump again like we did last weekend. So we've been having a lot of green days, definitely. And if we zoom out, we can see how many green days we have had for sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 green days in a row. So we are still very bullish. Things are looking very good, but we just want to be real. We want to have an understanding that cryptos could be affected by some news and pump down a little bit, go down a little bit, but I'm still confident in the market that it's overall bearish. There's a lot of very good. It's overall bullish. Everything is looking good. The charts are looking good. And it's signaling for us that the bull run is just about to get started. So in the immediate short term, yes, we can go down further, but especially in the next week, the next couple of weeks, things are going to be very, very bullish in my opinion. And we're going to continue to head up. And if you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you deposit $100, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell at any time, send to your bank account or buy cryptos with. And if you got something out of the video, share this video with some of your friends and family. Blow up the comment section, and I will see you all tonight.